Finding the right well-balanced dry dog food brand for your dog can become a sort of a headache when there are thousands of varieties to choose from. Most quality commercial foods are highly regulated and have undergone rigorous testing by veterinary specialists. A portion of good dog food will contain meat, vegetables, grains, and fruits. The best dog foods include high-quality versions of these ingredients that are appropriate for your dog's digestive system. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The Blue Buffalo Wilderness offers a recipe made to satisfy your dog's natural love for meat, and this high-protein dog food features real chicken to help build and maintain lean muscle mass. It is made with healthy carbohydrates, including sweet potatoes and peas, to help fuel your adult dog's active lifestyle. Plus, it contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids to support skin and coat health. This dog food contains a precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, carefully selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists to support immune system health, life stage requirements, and a healthy oxidative balance. On the other hand, this dry dog food is formulated with the health and well-being of your dog and features the most beautiful natural ingredients enhanced with vitamins and minerals. However, it never contains chicken byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. The Taste of the Wild comes with a grain-free formula that provides digestible energy and excellent nutrition for your growing puppy. It is made with your roasted meat and a blend of protein sources, and this hearty formula offers a taste sensation like no other. Modern science proves that your puppy shares the DNA of the wolf. Although their DNA remains the same and their taste demands something of the wild, feed your puppy with all the proper ingredients and nutrition they need to thrive. Vegetables and fruits deliver antioxidants to help support a healthy lifestyle. Your puppy craves taste from their wild past. Go ahead and give them one. The Primal freeze-dried dog food comes with certified organic minerals and unrefined vitamins to fortify our complete and balanced diets. It contains fresh ground bone for calcium supplementation. This combination of ingredients offers optimum levels of the amino acids, essential fatty acids, naturally occurring enzymes, and necessary vitamins and minerals that are the building blocks for your pet's healthy biological functions. Also incorporates certified organic produce, certified natural minerals, and unrefined vitamins to fortify the complete and balanced nutrition for all life stages. And best of all, it's a breeze to serve, thanks to the naturally preserved nuggets add water. Further, this dog food is made with an antibiotic, hormone, and steroid-free chicken meat and organs, along with fresh ground bone for calcium supplementation. Nourish your canine companion with the balanced diet nature intended with Taste of the Wild, high prairie, grain-free dry dog food. Formulated with novel proteins, including buffalo and bison, this grain-free recipe includes peas and sweet potatoes that deliver the highly digestible energy your current pup needs, along with natural antioxidant support from real fruits and vegetables and dried chicory root for prebiotic support and healthy digestion. Essential minerals are chelated with amino acids to optimize their absorption and ensure maximum benefit. For complete and balanced nutrition with a Taste of the Wild, your furry friend continually craves. It's nutrient-rich and highly digestible recipe made with a proprietary canine strain probiotic blend to help support your canine companion's digestive health. Further, it is made with ingredients from trusted and suitable sources with no grain, corn, wheat, filler, artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Keep your furry friend going strong with Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Lamb Dinner with garden vegetables canned dog food. Each can features real lamb as the first ingredient with garden fruits and veggies, because your pup deserves nothing but the best. It is made with healthy carbohydrates to provide your companion with the energy he needs for an active life. This food is also enhanced with vitamins and minerals. It's enhanced with vitamins and minerals to keep your furry friend going strong. Plus, it contains no byproduct meals, corn, wheat, or soy, and no artificial flavors or preservatives. This pate-style wet dog food features high-quality protein from real lamb to support healthy muscle maintenance. Make meatless times easy, tasty and nutritious with the Canidae All Life Stages multi-protein formula dry dog food. This vet-formulated recipe is specifically designed for dogs of all breeds, sizes, and ages. It features premium ingredients and optimum protein, and is completely free of corn, wheat, and soy for the wholesome nutrition your dog deserves. This all-in-one approach to feeding makes mealtime for multi-dog households much more straightforward than dealing with multiple bags of different foods. Single-dog households will also enjoy the benefits. No more guessing or switching based on your dog's age, breed, or size. Plus, it includes Health Plus Solutions, a trio of probiotics, antioxidants, and omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Give your dog a nutrient-dense, biologically appropriate diet with Orijen Original. It is designed to nourish dogs at any stage of life. This grain-free dog food is brimming with fresh and raw whole animal ingredients, including free-run chicken and turkey, cage-free eggs, herring, and flounder. Also, it delivers a diet rich and varied in fresh, whole animal ingredients from free-run chicken and turkey, wild-caught fish, and cage-free eggs. Using fresh and raw animal ingredients, including meat, organs, cartilage, and bone, Orijen is the biologically appropriate, grain-free diet that dogs have evolved to eat. Also, it contains up to 90% meat, which is more than 3 times the amount used in conventional dog food. Furthermore, each recipe contains a guaranteed minimum of 38% crude protein by volume. I hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.